Hello friends, so I recently bought this Beats Flex Wireless Earphones and I thought I should make a video about it. So firstly, let's quickly see what we get in the box. So first you will find the Beats Wireless Earphones. Then you get this USB-C charging cable, which we will talk about later. And then you have different type of ear tips, which should give you a perfect fit. Also in the box, you get some paperwork and a Beats logo. Now let's take the earphones out and see what we actually get on these earphones. Okay, so first you have this Beats logo on the left hand side cable, and you also have the USB-C charging port on the same cable. And then you have the volume buttons, which is a great thing. If you use AirPods, you know what I mean. Also, you have a multi-purpose button which you can use to play, pause or skip the music or pick up and end the calls. And finally, there is this tiny microphone. And on the right hand side cable, you have this power button which you will use to switch on and switch off the headphones. And finally, you have ear tips which are magnetic, which we will talk about just in a minute. Okay, so that's all you get in the box. Now coming to pairing it with iPhone, the experience is seamless. Since it has W1 chip, you just have to turn on the power button and this will give a prompt on your iPhone. You simply have to hit connect. And that's all it takes to connect it to your iPhone. Now let's look at some of the points why you should consider buying these earphones for your iPhone. Okay, the first and very important point is these earphones starts at $50 and this is Apple product. So finding Apple product at this price range is very rare. And if you look at the functionality of these earphones, they may not be the best sounding earphones, but the functionality that they provide, most of the features are coming from AirPods and AirPods Pro. So getting that functionality for $50 is no brainer. The second best point I find about these earphones is they offer 12 hours of battery life on a single charge. So if you're coming from AirPods or AirPods Pro, you know that they last 4 or 5 hours. Again, you have to charge them and then they will last up to 24 hours. So this guy, if you charge them once, even if you're a heavy user, you can definitely use them for 10 to 12 hours. I've tested it and it works flawlessly. So battery life is excellent. Apart from this, it has got fast fuel charging. So if you charge for 10 minutes, you're gonna get a playback time of 1.5 hours. So if you're in a hurry, you don't have time, you want to catch a flight, you can use this feature. As I said, it's an Apple product, so it has got W1 chip. So it offers few functionalities of AirPods and AirPods Pro. One of the important features is automatic play and pause. So the ear tips of these earphones are magnetic. So when you remove the earphones and snap the magnets together, it will pause the music or video that's playing on your iPhone. And when you wear them again, it will autoplay the audio or video. So it's a very handy feature. If you use AirPods or AirPods Pro, you are used to this feature and Apple is offering this feature on this $50 earphone. So even if you're using these earphones for the first time, you're gonna love this feature. Okay, one more cool feature of these earphones is you can use it with audio sharing feature on iPhone. So basically, if you want to share audio with your friends or loved ones, you can do that using these earphones, which is a plus point at this price range. Being an Apple product, these earphones sync to your iCloud. So you can switch between different devices seamlessly, and this is the feature which I use a lot with my Mac and iPad. So if you have multiple Apple devices, you are definitely going to love this feature. One more important feature of these earphones is they come with AAC codec. So if you're watching Netflix movies or YouTube video, there's absolutely no lag between the audio and video. Now if you talk about the Bluetooth range, the range is better than the AirPods Generation 1, but it is lesser than AirPods Pro. These earphones come with Class 1 Bluetooth, and since it has got W1 chip also, combining these two, the connection is very stable and I could easily roam around my house of around 1500 square feet without any connection loss. So you need to consider this point while purchasing any Bluetooth earphones. So the connection range is very good and you can definitely consider buying it. Now if we talk about the call quality, the quality is not up to the mark of AirPods and AirPods Pro, but it is manageable. It has got a wind protection on a mic, so if you are in a noisy environment, it will definitely cut down that surrounding noise and give a better call quality. Now let's look at some of the points which you may not like and you should know before you make a purchase decision. So the first thing, these earphones comes with USB-C charging cable. So if you don't have USB-C charger at home, you're not going to appreciate it. And if you have USB-C charging cable, you should be okay with that, but you should consider this before you make a buying decision. Second, I want to point out is the quality of the material. This material doesn't feel premium, but at the same time, it doesn't feel cheap. At this price point, some people may like or some people may not like the quality of the material. I find it good, I find it manageable. I don't find any issue with the material at this price range. Now, considering the comfort, this may not be as comfortable as compared to AirPods and AirPods Pro. You can wear AirPods for the whole day and you don't feel any pain, or you don't even feel you're wearing them in your ears. But the feel of these earphones is a little different. This is very subjective. You may or may not like it. If you're used to AirPods, this feel is definitely different. I can wear them for 3-4 hours straight, but more than that, I start feeling like I have to take them out, I have to give some rest to my ears, and then I can again start wearing them. So this point you should consider. So these are not the best sounding earphones, you should know this. At this price point, Apple has managed to keep the bass very balanced and vocals are very clear. But if you're considering earphones only for music quality, then this is not the product that you should go for. These are good for meetings or watching movies and YouTube videos. But if you're like considering only for music, you can skip these earphones. Okay, these are not the true wireless earphones. Some people love wearing only true wireless earphones nowadays. So this has got the neck band. It has its own advantage. I love that advantage. I love using volume buttons on these earphones. Since it has got the wire, it will always try to come out of your ears. So you're obviously not getting that true wireless earphone experience with these earbuds, but I find them manageable. I love having that neck band and the volume buttons on it, or the design of it, and the better battery life. These earphones don't offer active noise cancellation. There is some passive noise cancellation, but you should not rely on it. If you're looking for a noise cancellation earphones, obviously you're not going to buy these earphones, and at this price range, finding noise cancellation is also difficult. Now, last but not the least, these earphones don't come with any IP rating. So they are not water resistant. You cannot wear them in a rain or near a swimming pool. They can manage some sweat, but if you're like considering this for everyday gymming and heavy workout, these earphones may not survive. So you should consider this because there is no IP rating on these earphones. Now, before I give you my final thoughts about these earphones, let me tell you what are the things that I personally like about these earphones. So the first is simple design. These earphones are very simple. This design is very popular. The wires are tangle free. There is a dedicated button for controlling your music or phone calls, and there are volume buttons, which is very useful. Also, the battery life is amazing. You just have to charge it once and you can use it the whole day. Also, they come in 4 different colors, so you can choose your favorite color here, so you can match it with your style. Also, if you use AirPods, there is always a fear of losing the AirPod. Here you have a wire, so there is no fear of losing the earphone. Battery charging time is also very less. I could charge these earphones from 0 to 100 in around 1.5 hours, which is good, I feel. And then there is this small feature on these earphones which I loved a lot. When you press the power button on your earphones, it will show the battery percentage on your iPhone. It will show that pop-up which looks beautiful on your iPhone and shows the battery percentage. So it's a very small touch, but I love this feature. Now, last but not the least, at this price range, these earphones just works as AirPods, which is a very big plus point. Now, coming to the final thoughts, I feel finding earphones with these functionalities at this price range is very difficult, even though they don't sound that good. If you are like looking for sound quality, you're definitely not buying Beats, or you're not buying earphones at this price range. So if you're looking for earphones for the functionality, you want to stay in the Apple ecosystem, $50 is a no-brainer. Do not compare it with the AirPods and AirPods Pro. They have their own advantages and disadvantages, and the price range is totally different. So these are just go-to earphones. You can simply throw them on your neck and you can spend the whole day without worrying about the battery life. So this is what I feel about these earphones. I'm using it for past 48 hours and I'm loving it. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below. If you're planning to buy it, use the affiliate links down in the description below. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.